Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change storage on your laptop. First, you need to understand your current setup. Check your laptop specifications to identify the existing drive type and its capacity. This information is crucial for selecting a compatible replacement. Next, research potential upgrade options that fit your specific laptop model. Finally, ensure you have all the required tools, including a small Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap, to safely perform the upgrade. When upgrading, you'll primarily choose between an SSD and an HDD. SSDs are much faster, improving boot times and application loading significantly. For top-tier performance, consider an M.2 NVMe SSD, which can transfer data at speeds of several gigabytes per second. If your laptop doesn't support NVMe, a SATA SSD is an excellent, more affordable alternative. Always consult your laptop's documentation to confirm which drive types and physical sizes, like 2.5-inch or M.2, are compatible before making a purchase. Before you begin, always back up all your critical data to an external drive or cloud service. Next, power down your laptop completely and unplug everything. Carefully open the back panel. Many laptops have small screws and delicate clips. Once inside, locate your old storage drive. Gently disconnect it and remove it from its bay. Install your new drive, ensuring it's seated firmly, then reassemble your laptop. This physical swap usually takes about 15 to 30 minutes. After installing the new drive, you'll need to install your operating system. Create a bootable USB drive with your preferred OS and follow the on-screen prompts. Once the OS is installed, update all drivers to ensure everything runs smoothly. Alternatively, you could use disk cloning software to transfer your old operating system and data directly to the new drive, saving time. Remember to establish a regular backup routine for your data, perhaps weekly, to protect against future issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.